Alright, you lovely lot, so I've got another little behind the scenes for you today. I'm going to show you what I have been busy working on. Now, you know that I've been working on the garage roof, which is soon to be my workshop, right? Now, you know that a load of pallets got delivered because I showed you that, and I've been putting myself to work by using those pallets, and voila, we have begun actually sorting the roof out. So I'm super chuffed with how this is going. It probably is my best bit of roofing work yet, like in terms of standard and how it's coming along. So yeah, I'm really happy with the progress so far, but I have run out of pallet wood. They said they're going to give me some more, so I'll just wait for some more. I've got a little bit left and I can probably work this upper section up here, but not masses, not going to last very long. But yeah, you can see it's going pretty good, and I'll show you it from the underneath as well. So that's what it's looking like from in here. Not too shabby at all, eh? Looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it anyway. I'm really looking forward to this bit of space being my workshop, just because it's bigger. And it's just, I could see it being my workshop one day. One day I'd really love like a lathe, so that I can do some turning and stuff in there. Some workbenches, my brewing stuff too, like a little section for my brewing stuff. So I can see how this is just gonna be like my little space to like do all the tinkering and all the things that I need to do, that I like to do. So yeah, just seeing it looking like that and seeing the progress moving forward is really nice. So I'm dead chuffed with that. Oh, what a shiner, look at that. This bad boy I got from kickboxing yesterday. Good hook, didn't cover it up. If I'd have got my guard up, I'd have been all right. Listen guys, this video that you've just watched is one of the many videos that we release over on our Patreon. Now, the reason that I wanted to post this on YouTube was because I wanted to give you guys a little insight into the regular short form videos that we upload there that don't make it to social media, that only make it to Patreon, because they are behind the scenes, they are regular, they are short, they are unfiltered, and they are unedited, where YouTube for us is longer format and more polished videos. Over on Patreon, we release behind the scenes, short updates, and everyday things that are going on. As it currently stands, there are well over 30 of these videos on that platform. This is actually a new feature that we're pushing really hard with, along with over 11 1-hour sit-down live streams with me and Jordan and the family and all the things that are going on in the house at that time. Now, these types of videos, they might not be up your street, but they may well be right up your street. And for us, Patreon is the platform that allows us to keep making videos, vlogs every single day. And I just wanted to give you guys a taste of the value that you'll receive if you do decide to come on over and support us there. Now, to put it simply, to watch those videos, you'll need a tier 2 or a tier 3 member, and to have access to all the live videos, you just need to be a tier 1 member. I understand that this is not for everybody, and not everybody can afford to come over and support us there. And that's honestly fine. Just keep watching the videos that you do on YouTube. But if these are the types of videos that you do like to watch, at least you know where you can get them. There's got to be at least a good 3 hours of footage there that you probably haven't seen. And you can find the link to our Patreon down in the description or in the comment section. Cheers, guys.